right, so I didn't have Thursday, Friday's trade recaps, and I do apologize. The whole idea of this channel was to be transparent with you guys. I feel like I'm not doing justice if I don't say, you know, I blew a lot of accounts through those days, just panic trading, just FOMO. I'm having a lot of breakthroughs. I'm realizing a lot of things, which is why I'm actually trading PM session tonight, right? I traded Asia session because I'm starting to actually see the setups, and I realized that only trading Monday, Thursday, Friday meant that I was only getting so many opportunities to find setups. By allowing myself to trade Asia session and AM session, it'll allow me to just trade when I'm available versus forcing me to trade AM session and only AM session. Getting into the trade recap, 4-hour chart coming into tonight, we were bullish, right? We had broken structure here at 6 a.m. We held higher. This is kind of the candle that I was entering on the 4-hour. We're continuing to move higher, as you can see. Excuse me. As we move through market open today, we just continue to hold bullish structure. Looking at the 15-minute chart, I liked this last leg higher to continue pushing us higher if we were going to do so. So I drew obviously my Fibonacci here from this low of this leg to the high. My first entry of the night was on the 15/5-minute chart, right? I entered through this candle here. You can see we came down, tapped the 7.9, we stopped me out. I was oversized on that trade, so I took a $270 loss because we poked through pretty hard. Once I saw us tap the 7.9 and reject really hard, though, we were still bullish on the 1-hour and the 4-hour. So I went ahead and I took this trade again, the upside. We risked 9 points for 77, a 1 to 8 RR. You can see we tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap, and we were also in, there's no 15-minute fair value gap there. It was this one that I was explaining to my friend. 5-minute fair value gap still, 7.9 tap, still bullish on the 1-hour, still bullish on the 4-hour. I wanted to see us take this liquidity. You can see I sat in this trade for an hour and a half. I got in this trade. I got in this trade at 6:45, and I didn't exit this trade until 10:05. So about an hour and a half in this trade. Key takeaways. This first trade was silly. We had already come down. I mean, sure, we were in the golden zone. Again, oversized, accidentally had 5 micros on, traded 3 micros on this trade. I started down 270 on the first trade. I ended up $188, I believe, on the day with the second trade. We're currently trading 2 live Apex accounts and 1 Apex eval. The eval is only up like $100 because I tried to full port it and pass that one and it lost 1,000. I've gone it back just above break even. Anyways, I'm just trying to kind of catch you guys up. Again, my goal with this channel is to be transparent, so I'm going to continue sharing these from now on. Took 2 trades tonight. Again, 618 tap. Obviously, we rejected 7.9 tap. Caught this move 1 to 8, up $188 on the night. Up 360, 370 or so between the two. I am going for payouts by taking my time, right? The goal obviously is payouts. This has the opportunity. I just need to continue seeing the trades, seeing the opportunity, and not, I don't know if I've talked about it at all, but the other decision that I made was, you know, just simply realizing that my new mistake that was causing crash out, aside from the old ones, the thing that caused my crash out last week was I took a trade and it was a good trade. It was off of a 618 and we caught the full extension, but I got scared out because I wasn't confident in my own setups. But I'm starting to realize how much this fib works using discretion, seeing things like the fair value gaps and whatnot. So overall, very happy with this trade. My other target could have been, if I really wanted to go for it, this minus 382 off of that move, which we would have tapped, which would have been 117. If I wanted to leave runners on, that's probably where I would have taken it to answer your question, Tuna. I would have taken first take profit here. Second take profit could have been up at this minus 382 level based on my original Fibonacci extension. As I was telling him, I think we'll probably see this ride to at least 180 or 190 just because of the higher time frame legs. But that's a discussion for another time. If you guys have questions about the way I trade, please leave comments in the comment section below. I'll try and answer those in future videos. Again, I'm going to start trying to be much more transparent about this stuff. So yeah, we're trying to take payout on 2 Apex accounts right now, moving towards a third. We can start making money. We can start making money moves. So money moves, money moves. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this trade recap. Again, I have nothing left for you guys. Deuces.